Hello, second graders. Welcome to a new math lesson. Please get your book ready and let's start. We are on topic 1, lesson 1, addition facts, strategies, and we'll see together what do we have for the first lesson. First lesson, addition facts, strategies, which is like adding or solving problems in a different order. So let's start.
Use cubes. Show 2 plus 5 and 5 plus 2. Solve both problems. Explain how the problems are alike and how they are different.
All right, 2 plus 5 and 5 plus 2. So let's say if I'm gonna draw my counters here or cubes, so I'm gonna put 2 cubes first plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equals. So this is 2 plus 5 equals. I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 plus 5 equals 7. The second part of my equation says 5 plus 2. So that means I have to start with my second addends, which is number 5. I'm going to draw 5 cubes first. 3, 4, 5 plus 2. I'm going to draw 2 cubes. And then I'm going to 5 plus 2. 5, 6, 7. So 5 plus 2 equals 7. So what do we notice here? That 2 plus 5 and 5 plus 2 give me the same sum, right? Let's go for next page and listen to the video.
You know how to count on to find a number. You can count on to find 6 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. Or count on to find 3 plus 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is it easier to count on from the greater number, 6, or from the lesser number, 3?
Select your answer.
Which one? If you start counting by 6 or if you start counting with number 3?
If you count from the greater number, you do not have to count on as many.
Counting on from the greater number is easier.
How is 6 plus 3 the same as 3 plus 6? When you add 6 plus 3, the value is 9. When you add 3 plus 6, the value is 9. An equation uses an equal sign to show that the value on the left is the same as the value on the right. How are these two addition equations alike? They both use the same addends, 3 and 6. They both have the same sum, 9. How are they different? The order of the addends is different. You can change the order of the addends. The sum is the same. You can write the facts this way too. How do you know that 6 plus 3 equals 3 plus 6? Because 6 plus 3 equals 9, and 3 plus 6 equals 9. You can add numbers in any order and the sum is the same. So 6 plus 3 equals 3 plus 6.
Very good. So now we learned that as long as the addends are the same, so it doesn't matter if you put them in different orders. And over here, this is exactly the example we did in the beginning. 5 plus 2 equals 2 plus 5. Now we understand why, because the same addends are the same when we have 5 plus 2. And then if you just change the order for the addends, we used 5 first, then we add 2, our sum remain the same. All right, count on to find the sum, then change the order of the addends. So we're gonna count on, have your answer, and then we're gonna change your addends in order. We change the order. So 3 plus 1, I have 3 red counter and 1 blue counter. Add them together, your answer is 4. Now I'm gonna start with the second addend, the 1, I'm gonna put it first, and then I'm gonna add the second addend, which is 3. So 1 plus 3, still 4. Let's put them in a different way. I have 4, I have 3. So I have 4 yellow counters. I put 4 first, and then I have 3 purple counters. So if I add my counters or my cubes, I should have 4. After 4, 5, 6, 7. We will have, my answer will be 7. I'm going to write 7 here. Now, what I see that I need to start with the second addend first, which is the 3. So I'm going to write 3 first, and then I'm going to count the second addend, the yellow counters or the yellow cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I have to add them together, and I'm sure the answer will remain the same because all what I did, I just put my addends in a different order. 7. Now this is your turn to have fun and do the rest of the exercise. So what do you need to do? Count on to find the sum. So you do your addition, you add, and then change the order of the addends, use cubes if needed. So first, I'm going to add 8 plus 2. If you have anything to help you to count, if you have your counters or cubes or buttons or stickers or crayons or even a piece of paper and you just draw circles on the side. So you need to add 8 plus 2. And then after that, what we're going to do, you're going to change the order of the addend. So you're going to start with 2, and then you're going to add 8. So you're going to write 2 plus 8, and then you're going to put your answer. Your answer should be the same. Same for number 4, 8 plus 5. You're going to put your sum here, the total, and then we're going to start with the 5 first, and then plus the 8. So what we call, we're putting our addend in a different order, or we're changing the orders. All right, so you have till the end of this sheet. Let's go for next one. Problem solving. It's the same, but here we have sentence. So we need to read and we need to answer the question. Number 13. Joy has 8 bean plants and 6 corn plants in her garden. So she has 8 and 6. These are my 2 addend. I know the first one is 8, the second one is 6. How many plants does she have in all? So I need to add to get the sum for these 2 addend. Draw a picture to explain your thinking. This is the box that you're gonna draw circles or squares or anything to help you to explain your answer. All right, then write facts of this story. We're going to write the numbers here with the addends in different order. So we're already doing what we practiced before. So let's see, 8 and 6. First, I'm going to write 8 and the second addend 6. So 8 plus 6. I'm going to come here and I'm going to draw 8 circle first. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And my second addend, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now I need to add them together and put the answer here. Okay. Use different color. Now, the second part, I need to change the order for the addend. So I'm going to use 6 first and 8 after. So I'm going to say 6 plus 8. I'm going to draw it here. 6 first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the second addend is 8. I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I should add both numbers and I should get the same answer. Okay, let's go for number 14. Higher order thinking. It's a challenging question, but you read it, you'll understand everything. All right, find the objects in box 1 and box 2. So we have 2 boxes that are the same. Write an equation to show how many of each object there are. Then change the order of the addends. So we have 2 boxes. Box 1 have items. Box 2 have items. We need to add them together. And then I'm going to change the order of the addends. So if I go for hearts, I'm going to count the hearts in box 1, and then I will add the hearts in box 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6 in box 1. Count the second box. I have 2 hearts, so plus 2. I'm going to add them together. I know 6 plus 2 is 6, 7 is. I'm going to write 8 equals 8. All right. So now I'm going to put them in different order. So what I'm going to say, 8 equals 2. I'm going to start with the 2 first, plus 6. Right? You do the same for the pink roses or the pink flower. Count how many you have in box 1, how many you have in box 2. Put your sum or your total, and then change your addends. So start from the flowers in box 1, and then add the pink flowers in box 2. Number 3, the same. You have the sun, how many you have in box 1, plus how many you have in box 2, and then put the sum, put the total, and then you change the order of your addends. Put first the sun in box 2, and then add the suns in box 3, in box 1, I'm sorry. Okay. Let's go for number 15. Which shows how to count on to find 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5. If this is the right way, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm counting on, this is the 7, and I have to add 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Or choice B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or choice C, 7, take away 5. Or choice D, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This means 7 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember your equation, 7 plus 5. So is it choice A, B, C, or D? Okay. That's it for today, second graders. Thank you.